Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how a Rolls-Royce Phantom is meticulously crafted. The journey begins with a deep dive into the client's unique vision, where every detail is considered for a truly bespoke creation. The foundation is a robust aluminum space-frame chassis, meticulously hand-welded with over 2,000 individual welds. This intricate process ensures both structural integrity and the signature magic carpet ride experience, setting the stage for unparalleled luxury and performance. Achieving the Phantom's flawless exterior involves a multi-stage painting process. The body receives up to 5 layers of paint, contributing over 100 pounds to the vehicle's weight. This week-long endeavor includes several clear coats, culminating in a mirror-like polish. Finally, a single artisan meticulously hand-paints the iconic coach line, a testament to the unparalleled attention to detail in every Rolls-Royce. Inside, the Phantom is a sanctuary of bespoke artistry. Premium hides are hand-selected and meticulously stitched, a process that can take over 2 weeks to ensure perfection. Exquisite wood veneers, often sourced from a single tree, are precisely matched and lacquered, offering up to 20,000 unique combinations. Clients can personalize every element, from seating configurations to the enchanting Starlight headliner with its 500 fiber optic lights. Before leaving the Goodwood factory, each Phantom undergoes rigorous quality assurance. This includes extensive testing for performance, comfort, and the seamless operation of every feature. Every detail, from the alignment of wood trim to the stitching of leather, is meticulously inspected. A final test drive ensures the vehicle performs to the highest standards, ready for its discerning owner to experience the pinnacle of automotive luxury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.